Good day to you, my friends. Yes, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are new to the channel, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my videos in the future. Today we are going to talk about what is Bamboo Globalization. So Bamboo Globalization is a company that pays you daily to make tasks. So let's look into it. So after registering to Bamboo Globalization, you are going to come to tasks. If you haven't registered for Bamboo Globalization, I want you to go down the link below, press that link, register, and you're going to get 150 rands just by signing up. Then when you're on this website, you're going to come to task. You're going to press task. Then this is what you're going to see. So as a free VIP, you get to make 10 rands a day. Myself, I'm a VIP 1, so I make 36 rands a day. I've already completed my tasks, but what you're going to do yourself is that you're going to just come and press auto process. Then you see it says the number of tasks has been reached for today. So for you it won't say that, but it will go through. Then you press the second one, so it's going to be 5 rands on top and 5 rands on the second one. So you're going to press the first one, it will give you 5 rands. Then you're going to also need to press the second one to give you 5 rands. Then it's going to show you completed for today. So it will be up to you whether you're doing Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. It will be just completely up to you. Then you want to come to VIP. So let's say you've already made enough money, let's say 650. For you to become a VIP and start making 36 rands a day, you're going to need 650 in your account. Not necessarily 650, but that's the minimum amount that you need to have, so that you can have what we call security balance. So the security balance is the minimum amount that should be in your account so that you can be able to do daily tasks and get your money. So let's say you want to be on VIP 2. So VIP 2, you are going to need to have 1,500. So after upgrading, you are going to need to have 1,500 in your account. It just goes on and on up to VIP 5. So VIP 5, you are going to be making 1,560 a day, and you'll be doing 13 daily tasks, and your security balance will be 16,000 rands. So when you've got 16,000 rands in your account, you can be able to make 1,560 a day. Just imagine making so much money. And if you haven't registered, go down the link below, press that link, get 150, get started. Now we are on home. So you see this part which says refer. So you must know that by the time that I'm shooting this video, there's a promotion that when you refer a friend, you can be able to get 5 friends per invite. So if your friend signs up under a link, you're going to get 5 friends for that friend. So you're just going to come and say copy. Then you say, it says copy successful. Then you're going to want to share it with your friend. If you want to make money without ever depositing, this is my strategy. You are going to need to make 10 rands a day for 45 days. Then you are going to need to refer 40 friends. Then it will give you 200 rands. Then you've got 650 rands to upgrade to VIP 1. So you don't need to ever deposit anything. But if you feel like, no, I want to deposit quicker or now, you can still deposit and upgrade to VIP or whatever, VIP 1, 2, up to 5, whichever you like. Then you've got wallet. So what is the wallet section? So the wallet, it will show you your balance. It will show you today's income. It will show number of agents and agent rebates. Remember when I was talking about referring friends? So if you refer one friend and they sign up, it will show them as an agent. Then you will get 5 friends on agent rebates. So if you've got 40 friends which have signed up, you'll be having 200 friends by the end of the day. So currently I'm busy working on a video on how to withdraw with Bamboo Globalization. So I would like you to subscribe, like my channel so that you don't miss that video when I'm uploading it. We also have a Me tab where you can be able to see your notifications and all those things, like if maybe there's something that they're announcing, then you want to always be sure that you check everything, you read everything that they post, and so that you can be up to date with everything. And last but not least, we've got invest in Bamboo Fund. So let's say you want to invest in Bamboo Fund. So this is how it works. So you will need a minimum deposit of 1,000 rands. In 7 days, you are going to get 21% of that money. Bamboo Crypto Fund B, you're going to also need 1,000 rands. Then for 30 days, you get 105%. So it goes on up to until 1,825%. So it's up to you how you want to use your Bamboo. All I can say is that give it a try. Start with the free VIP, then you are going to get 150 just for signing up. So it means by the end of this video, you'll be having 160 in your account for today. So tomorrow you'll be making 10 rands. Let's say again you can be able to refer 10 friends. You'll be having money, like you'll just be having money like just like that. So I want you to give it a try and test it out. Comment below whenever you withdraw. Tell me that, hey, what you showed us is working, you know. So yeah, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. Please do remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.